anniversary. We call this Kalayaan the 27th year anniversary. And tonight we gather not merely to look back on the years that have passed, but to honor what those years have created. We do not come here just to count time. Hindi tayo andito para magbilang 27 years na kaming nagsasama. Next year, 28 na, we come here for brotherhood and sisterhood. Upang alalahanin ang mga nakaraan. Upang alalahanin ang mga inyong napagdaanan. To every man and women who has carried the torch of Kalayaan, to every life that has been torched by your service, and to every soul who stood the line and kept the peace, this is your moment. This is your time. This is the night for Kalayaan. Welcome to the 27th anniversary of the PNP Cast of Kalayaan, a celebration of commitment, a tribute to service, and a testament of an enduring brotherhood. Mabuhay ang Class of Kalayaan! Dapat ang sagot niyo mabuhay. 1, 2, 3. Mabuhay ang Class of Kalayaan! Long live Kalayaan! Thank you so much. And this time, ladies and gentlemen, to formally begin our celebration, at the heart of every gathering is a prayer. A solemn cry to the heavens that we are here and we are all grateful and we seek guidance. To lead us invoking the presence of the divine, we call upon the leader of faith and duty, a woman whose strength is both in command and compassion. May we request everyone to please stand for the prayer. Kahit anong talento meron kayo, okay? Pag-isipan nyo na yan. And at this moment, hindi natin pwedeng kaligtaan sa puntong ito ang theme song ng Batch Kalayaan. Sabay-sabay nating awitin. Sabay-sabay nating isa puso ang awitin ito. Yes po, may we request... I could always close the door.